Hey guys, I don't know about you, but I often have bottles like this, left alone with sprays of used chemicals. As you might have guessed, I don't throw it away, I store it, because there is hope that we will use it and do something useful again. So in today's video, I'll show you how to make a cool airbrush or so-called spray gun out of them. With this device, you will be able to apply not a water, but paint in an even thin layer, and this is done automatically without pressing the button. To make a spray gun, we need a container with a spray device. We also need one car fitting and a gun like this, which is connected to the compressor and blows air through the hose. Instead of a compressor, if you don't have one, you can simply use the car wheel tube, having previously inflated it and connected it to the fitting. We remove the protective cover. We extract the so-called trigger. The sealing gaskets. Remove the spring, we don't need it. There is a small glass ball inside of this fitting, so if you ever need a small glass ball, you know where it can be extracted from, but we are removing it now, cause we won't need it. Now we need to remove this spray tip. Inside there is a small plastic spiral, which we don't need, so we pull it out and throw it away. Now we are putting everything back together. For better bonding, we process the surface a little. Well, now, the most important and difficult thing is already behind. We just need to install the fitting, connect the air supply, fill in the paint and then test it. Take a pre-diluted paint, don't make it too thick, otherwise the nozzle will clog. But in general, the device is ready, so you can connect it to the compressor and test it. Yeah guys, before I could start testing, the plastic bottle would burst, all due to the fact that they are not designed for high pressure, and as you can see, it was the welding seam that was broken. Well, from the first seconds of the test, I think many of you have already realized that the first splash must be made away from the surface that we want to paint over, because it goes first with drips and then begins a good uniform spraying. Also, put the container stronger and watch out the pressure, because it can turn out exactly the same as mine. In general, don't throw away what you don't need today, cause tomorrow you can make something worthwhile out of it. So thank you very much for your attention and take care of yourself. Bye bye.